the 3-day national conference on, quote, Managing Agro-Biodiversity in Northeastern India, NCMAN 2024, unquote, began today at the ICAR Research Complex in Umiam. Inaugurated by Meghalaya Governor C. Vijayashankar, the event gathered scientists, researchers and students, with the governor highlighting the region's potential as a hub for Ayurveda and medicinal plants. Other speakers, including Dr. V.K. Mishra, Dr. K.M. Bujarbaruah, and Dr. Sanjay Kumar, stressed the need for biodiversity mapping, preserving small farm models, and strengthening market access for local products. The governor of Meghalaya, C. Vijayashankar, expressed concern over the declining interest of youth in farming, urging sustainable and profitable agricultural practices through collaboration between farmers, policymakers, and interdisciplinary research.
So actually it will be ready for harvesting by last week.
Native one, you know?
Yes sir, we have in our own farm sir.
Belgaum? Wow. All the products. Same ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳ್ಳೆಗಾಯಿ ನೆಲಗಡಲೆ ಇದೆ. Yes sir, they all are local. Yes sir.
In that way, I think it is a 3 days national conference, Vishwaji.
Yes sir.
It is a 3 days national conference. But at least out of 3 days, Ms. Mishra, what I feel, one day should be kept reserved for such a significant event. Today, we gather not only to discuss and deliberate upon the scientific and technical aspects of agro-biodiversity, particularly in this region. Black rice you are able to see here, you are able to produce. Not only black, red rice you are able to see here. Yellow rice you are able to see here. Many of the varieties.